here today with Dr. Enrico Ross and Dr. Spencer Ross from Rockport and Thomaston, Maine, and they did a couple of CHROME cases with us. Dr. Ross, Enrico, what did you? What was your experience yesterday with your maxilla and today with your mandible?
The experience was great. Every step went perfect. I couldn't have asked for better results, and we had thrilled patients after they left. Everybody left, all implants torqued out where we wanted, and the prosthesis looked perfect.
Excellent. As far as the osteotomy guides and the flow of the procedure with the bone reduction and...
Yeah, once we got the guide fixated down, everything just flowed right off that, and it went straight as is. Today we had to take out 2 implants, which took us a little longer, and both of them looked like they were going to fall out when we looked at the x-ray, and neither one. We had to drill all the way around right to the bottom of them, but other than that, everything else flowed great.
Excellent. Spencer, what was your take on, you were here today with this, seeing your first CHROME case?
I mean, it was a pretty cool experience to finally see one in person, and like you said, I mean, small little details go a long way. I mean, the planning seemed to be well executed, and obviously having Thomas here with everything hands-on seemed to work out very well.
Excellent. Well, listen, thank you for having us here, and we look forward to you doing a case, Spencer. And Enrico, I think we have a 3rd case for you lined up, so we look forward to seeing both of you soon. And thank you for using CHROME, and thank you for using Rowe. We appreciate your business.
Thank you very much.